Did you ever stop to ponder what foods could potentially increase your risk of cancer? It's a sobering thought, isn't it? Our diet, the fuel we put into our bodies each day, plays a crucial role in our overall health and can even influence our risk of developing certain diseases, including cancer. Today, we'll delve into a seemingly ordinary grocery list, unmasking 10 foods that, according to research, could put you on a path towards this life-altering disease. Get ready to learn about the 10 foods that could potentially increase your risk of cancer. First on our list is processed meats. Picture your favorite hot dogs, sausages, or bacon. These meats undergo a process involving preservatives and additives, some of which are known to be carcinogenic. In other words, they could increase your risk of developing cancer. This is particularly true for colorectal cancer. The convenience of these ready-to-eat meats might be tempting, but the health risks they pose are considerable. So think twice next time you reach for that hot dog or sausage. Next up, sugary drinks. These sweet beverages might seem harmless, but they pack a punch. Consuming these drinks frequently can lead to obesity, a condition that significantly increases the risk of numerous types of cancer. The sugar in these drinks can sneak up on you, leading to weight gain and health problems before you even notice. So the next time you're thirsty, why not reach for a glass of water instead? It's refreshing, calorie-free, and best of all, it doesn't come with a side of health risks. Remember, water is always a healthier choice. Alcohol also makes the list. It's no secret that too much alcohol can lead to a myriad of health issues. But did you know it can also increase your risk of several types of cancer? This includes breast cancer and mouth cancer. When alcohol is metabolized, it produces a harmful chemical called acetaldehyde, which can damage DNA and proteins, leading to cancer. So, even if you enjoy a drink now and then, remember, moderation is key when it comes to alcohol. Let's talk about red meat. Often hailed for its protein content and satisfying taste, red meat has a darker side. Studies suggest that a high consumption of red meat can increase the risk of colorectal cancer. This is due to the presence of certain chemicals that are either inherent in the meat or produced during cooking. Moderation is key here, folks. To reduce potential risks, consider substituting red meat with healthier alternatives like fish or chicken. Salted, pickled, and smoked foods are next. These food items often contain preservatives, such as nitrates and nitrites, which can react with your stomach acid to form compounds that may increase your risk of stomach cancer. Additionally, the high salt content in these foods can damage the lining of your stomach, further increasing this risk. The smoking process can also lead to the formation of potentially harmful carcinogens. Remember, health is wealth. Opt for fresh foods whenever possible. Fried, grilled, or broiled foods can also be problematic. When we expose our foods to high temperatures, like those in these cooking methods, certain harmful chemicals can form. These chemicals, known as acrylamides and heterocyclic amines, have been linked to an increased risk of developing various types of cancer. It's not about ditching your favorite barbecue or fried chicken entirely, but rather about being mindful of how often and how much you consume. Consider healthier cooking methods like steaming or boiling. What about white bread, pasta, and rice? These common staples might be convenient, but they're also a source of refined grains. You see, during the refining process, these foods lose their natural fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This lack of dietary fiber has been linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. It's not about cutting them out completely, but moderation is key. And when possible, why not swap them for whole grain versions? They're packed with nutrients and can help protect your health. Choose whole grains for a healthier alternative. Highly salted foods are another concern. When we frequently consume meals loaded with salt, our stomach lining takes a hit. This is due to the high sodium content that can cause inflammation and over time may lead to stomach cancer. This is especially true for processed foods, which often contain excessive salt as a preservative. But don't fret, there's a delicious solution. Try using herbs and spices for flavor instead of salt. They can add a kick to your meals without the health risk. Finally, trans fats. These hidden culprits lurk in many processed foods, from your favorite packet of chips to that tempting tub of margarine. Trans fats are infamous for their role in heart disease, but did you know they can also increase the risk of several types of cancer? That's right, These unhealthy fats can be a major player in promoting cancer growth. So next time you're at the supermarket, remember, read food labels carefully to avoid trans fats. So those were the 10 foods that could potentially increase your risk of cancer. From processed meats to trans fats, we've covered a variety of everyday items that might be lurking in your pantry. It's crucial to remember that balance is key, and a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help counteract these risks. Limiting alcohol and sugary drinks can also make a significant difference. Remember, making healthier food choices can greatly reduce your risk of cancer. Stay healthy and informed.